So alright guys, meron tayong vlog today, no? So nandito po tayo sa Lorega. Ayan. So kasama natin si Wage, yung crew natin, si Arman, kapatid ko, at si Lolo, yung crew natin. So nandito tayo. So ang location natin ito, yung area natin dito. So maliit lang, no? So mini disco lang yung event natin today. So maya meron tayo misa. Ayan. Sobrang liit lang talaga. So yung dala namin is 4 na mid-high, which is yung JBL natin, tapos 2 sub. Ayan, goods na to para dito. Let's go. Okay na yun. Oh, yun.
Ladies and gentlemen, you Mr. I don't give a damn if you're a Mister. If you fuck shit up, then I'ma diss your sister. If you fuck up, I get in the list, let's get so. With a bit extreme, with the thing I never intended to be mean, but I mean essential. But your motherfuckers been so fucking just on the winner, have the jaw strapped like you Mr. Just finish your set, there's a bodies in a duels, I let them choose, but I will never let them lose me. See, I was here with the rumors, but I read the fake news, but just the truth, legit the truth. Go back, way back into time. Young man, there's no need to feel down. I said, young man.
All the people, let's
Get
go.
yourself off the ground. I said, young man.
Barangay Loriga! Let's go!
Yun o, nakauwi na po tayo no, galing dun sa disco natin. So medyo naulanan po tayo no. Okay lang, at least safe naman yung mga gamit natin, hindi naman nabasa, at yung mga wire safe na din. So yung mga gamit natin sa likod is nandyan na rin. So ayun guys, dito ko na natapusin yung video guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hanggang sa muli, peace out.